Good morning and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is day 2 of the series I'm calling Spend $50 for 7 days for a week. That includes breakfast and dinner. So in today's video, you're going to see me cooking stuffed bell peppers for dinner, and for breakfast, French toast. A doctored up French toast. Second day, we added bananas.
Added bananas and some cinnamon.
And a neck covering and a jacket because it got cold.
It's cold. And this is perfect because it's just, you added cinnamon and
I did add cinnamon.
And I'm having honey with it that you warmed up. And oh my gosh, it just makes it so perfect.
We have peanut butter too, if you want some peanut butter. Maybe next time.
Maybe next bite.
Okay. And what'd you say?
I said, oh my God, with the peanut butter and the honey and the fruit, it is amazing.
Okay, tonight we are having chorizo stuffed bell peppers, and I'm changing up the recipe a little bit. It called for a pound of chorizo. Well, I just bought this. Oh no, this is not a pound. Is it? Glasses, please. Well, it's not going to fill up these big old bell peppers. And here comes Sammy. Excuse Sammy as she walks by the camera. I don't really know how much this is. But anyway, we're going to cook this. And I'm going to use half of the turkey. And those are some big bell peppers. So they might not get all the way stuffed. But that's all right. It called for mozzarella cheese. Why buy another cheese when I can use the rest of the pepper jack? So I'm kind of making it my own. But anyway, first thing we need to do is I'm going to cook the chorizo, all of this, and then I'll drain it. I'm going to cook all of this, then I'll drain it, get all the grease off, and then I'll cook half of this. And Sammy says, you know what time it is? We seem to eat at the same time. And so she's saying, guess what? It's time to eat. So, is it time for you? Yeah, she knows the word time. She knows the word hungry. She knows the word food. She knows the word cook. She knows the word, she's learning the word comer because we're saying it in Spanish. So, and now she's starting to learn that. But let me do that and then we'll get back to cooking for us. Okay, I'm going to add all the chorizo. And I'll come back when this is cooked because sometimes this can splatter and I don't really want it to splatter on my camera. The recipe calls for 1 whole onion, but I'm going to use what I have left over from the other night. I'm not going to cut up a whole other one. And y'all seen this before, so cue the fast forward. And one of the ingredients that I forgot to put out was the rice. So there you go. I'm going to use some rice in this recipe. Stuffed bell peppers. Okay, so there is the chorizo draining. See how much grease it gets? And that's not very much chorizo, so I'm gonna probably run into a problem in a meal coming up because I was counting on both of those. But also I'm counting on leftovers. So we may have leftovers one day. That's still 7 meals. So I'm gonna cook all this because those are some big bell peppers, and I know I will have leftover bell pepper because I can't eat all that. I can't eat half of that stuffed. So let's go ahead and cook this up, and we'll worry about tomorrow in another day. Tomorrow. We'll worry about tomorrow. Okay, I added the onions in and also added the chorizo back in. Yeah, I think we're going to need all of this. Alright, I added all the spices and it looks really good, like that. But now I'm going to add the rice and we're going to cook it all in one pan. I'm going to go ahead and add the rice right there, and then I'll get I think it calls for 1 cup of chicken broth. So I'm just using the caldo de pollo. I'm just using the same spoon. Of course, now I look at it and think, oh my gosh, that's a lot. I could have probably used half. Oh well. Because that rice is going to bulk up too. Yep, I forgot it had rice in it. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for, well, until the rice is done. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Now we stuff them. The mixture, the rice isn't completely done, but it says to put it in the oven for like 20 minutes. So I'm going to put a little water in the bottom of that pan too. Maybe that'll help steam it up. If I can get this lid off. Oh, look at there. Half of that turkey would have been good enough. I'm going to have leftovers for days. That looks good. Gouda. Yeah, we're going to have leftovers. So day 7 may be stuffed bell peppers. Oops. I can tell you I made a mess doing this. And I have to confess, I forgot this had rice in it and Deborah can't eat rice. So, backup plan.
Yay.
Yeah. Backup. She's going to try it though.
I am.
But she can't eat too much rice. So
Or bell pepper.
Or bell pepper, true. She needs to be just carnivore, and I put all these veggies in her, and rice and pasta.
Tortillas.
Tortillas. What?
Chilies.
Chilies. Mac and cheese. Alright, there's your big old bell pepper.
Woohoo!
And just to give it a little. Oops.
Oopsies.
Water down. Give it a little steamage. Back in the oven. Not really that hot. It's pretty good. Ow. You know what? It's hot. Came out of the oven and it's hot. Ooh, look at that. And then we're going to put some ooh la la cheese on it.
Ooh la la. Ooh
Ooh
la
la
la.
la. And then we're going back in for a little bit. And you want a little bit of this and a little bit of the...
A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Okay.
I can't do much of the jalapeno.
The pepper jack. And it's going to rain. As long as it don't hail.
Oh, hey.
Oh, look at that. Alright, going back in. So with my with my stuffed bell pepper, I'm going to have a little bit of spinach as my salad with a little bit of olive oil. Always have olive oil and always have lemon. And a little bit of lemon. Okay, let's see if the cheese is melted.
Con cuidado. I told you.
Ooh, look at that.
Man, that is perfection.
Let's see. All right, finally. I have to tell you, this took a long time to cook and prepare. Longer than I was expecting. All right, let's eat. Let's put it on the plate.
Nom 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 nom.
Okay.
All right. So this is the one that has some rice and stuff in it, but I have to taste it. I have to. I just have to. Ha! Not right now.
Oh no, like it just came out of the oven.
For 30 minutes.
It's like, it's gonna.
Yeah, talk amongst yourselves. This ain't happening anytime soon.
Sammy's like, what are you doing? Da-na-na-na.
Yeah, I want to see
Okay.
Sammy bark.
It's like, I'm not gonna do it.
It's like I'm not going to do it because you said I would.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, so here it goes. This is the one with the rice and turkey and goodiness.
And chorizo.
Yeah, and goodiness.
Is it good?
Oh my God.
Sorry you can't eat.
I know.
That's horrible.
So, I might have to try.
Oh no.
Oh,
Yours is gonna be good too.
that was just like
I should have used the just the half of the turkey. But I'm gonna.
So this is my beef and cheese.
Yeah, be careful. So I'm gonna have to use the rest of this that I have left over for breakfast burrito.
Oh, what a shame.
Really?
I mean, this is good. And I can taste the bell pepper seeping through this more than this.
Oh, yeah.
But this flavor.
That was good.
Oh.
Maybe next time I'll make it without the rice and you can just eat.
Oh.
Yeah.
That is so
because the rice isn't going to make it. It's just going to extend it.
Well, I'm telling you. Sorry about y'all that you don't have smell-o-vision and taste-o-vision. You're so good. Okay, I can't keep eating this.
No, I'm going to take it off your plate so you don't.
But I want to.
I'm going to try it.
Mm.
Is the rice done? Because that was, okay, that was one of the problems I was having is getting the rice done.
Hard to get good help these days.
Ooh. Oh, I'm going to have the same problem because it's too hot. Mm. That's the best bell pepper stuffing I've ever had. I used to make stuffed bell peppers in my sticks and bricks, but hadn't done it on the road until now.
Yay me.
And I like it.
It's so
But
good.
yeah, it's going to end up in burritos because let me show you how much we have left over. Look at that. I'm going to have days of leftovers with this. But, you know, that's a good thing. That you're going to have leftovers. So I'm going to make burritos out of that. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be eating that. I'm taking it.
Going to be busy at the stove for a bit.
I'm taking that off your plate. Oh, look at that. She can't have the bell pepper either. So, but I can. Okay. 2 left over. Well, partially 2. And then look at all this that I have left over. Yeah, I'm going to have to put some of this in the freezer. But it'd be good burrito fillings. Fillings? Yeah. And what cheese do I have left over? That much.